Oi, oi, everybody! Hello! Hello. So, today is Squishy Makeover, episode 10. I appear to have a finger injury. We are getting down to the last ones, I believe, of this squishy unboxing of Moriah's. So we've got this rock cow and then this thing. No idea what to do with this. That's why these ones have been left till last, because haven't got a Scooby-Doo what to do with them. But I guess we'll figure it out. So this requires oh, you gotta love Ace. I adore him. I'm not even a cat fan, but Ace I love. I often think cats are possessed. The weird stuff that they do, they are possessed. Let's just line this. Eliminate the old ruler. Ta-da! So, we're doing it this way again. Because the picture that I want to design is wider than it is tall. Yeah, I know. I'm stumped as to what to do with this. My brain was like, no idea. I was going to turn it into Clarabelle from Disney. It was going to be a rock star cow with a guitar. And then I had to think of what to do with that stupid unicorn donut design. I have no idea what that is. I think the ruler just wanted to be involved. So, let's get down to the drawing side, shall we? I always psych myself out with the idea afterwards, but then I sort of sit there and I go, okay, all I need to draw is the before. Let's draw the before, and when I'm drawing it, something might come into my head. So, let's just draw the before. Cow and the donut. Too big. I have to get this rarely used supply out. There's my donut. So it has a horn, ears, and I don't even know what these things are on its forehead. I don't like that design, and I don't like the cow either. So I'm sort of coming up with an idea now. I thought about what Moriah did with the giant donut before, and she made it into a pool floaty. Remember? The bear and the unicorn floaty. I was like, okay, Okay. Let's do a floaty. And then it all just clicked into place. So I decided to stick with the whole Rockstar theme, and I was like, I know what I need to do. Benji, the banjo playing pig from Create This Book 2. If you haven't seen that, shame on you. Shame on you. But he's from one of the earliest episodes of Create This Book 2. I didn't like him very much. So I'm trying very hard to do a do-over on this guy. He's had an upgrade. He's progressed in his career of banjo playing. He's now sort of a rock star banjo player. He's got a mohawk, a nose ring. But you'll see all those details better when it's lined. So let's get to that, shall we? Boop. Boop. So as you can see, it is a cow floaty paying homage to the cow rockstar that it was before. Well, the Benji was. Plus pig, cow, farm animal. It seemed fitting. This donut turned out, oh, mwah, because the shading, oh, it looks like I could just pick it up off the page. Except for this little rainbowy thing at the bottom, I didn't shade in purple into yellow. Oh, sorry, blending purple and yellow, and then like yellow into turquoisey blue. A little difficult. So we'll ignore the blending. These two are pretty simple. Like, not many colours. They're both white. So just add in some shading on that. Now we're moving on to the cow. So I'm just colouring in. Basically what I'm doing is avoiding the pink. If you're a regular here, pink, if I colour anything pink, I mess it up somehow. And Benji is no exception. In the original, well, technically Benji has been done numerous times. He was the channel icon for a while at the very beginning, and then I redid him in a Create This Book 2 episode, and now he's here. But every time I draw him, I mess up the pink so bad. He comes out like he's been sunburnt. It's ridiculous. I don't get what I do wrong. But I notice here that it's starting, so I kind of back off a little bit. So he is a little bit two-toned in pink, but we'll deal. See, I went with the pink and green for the channel as well. The top that he's wearing is meant to be like a vest, like a string vest, but it comes off as pink and green. Boom. I did him floating at sea. Little nose ring. eyebrow piercing, ear piercings. He's definitely moved up in the world. Is it a glam up, glow up, whatever it is. But he is now a rock star banjo playing. Yeah, there he is. Definitely improved on the old character artwork design things. He is like fluorescent pink. I'm very proud of this one. Considering I didn't know what I was going to do with that stupid donut. And then turning the Rockstar cow into Rockstar Benji. Wow. Awesome. As always, the video that these squishies are from will be down below. As well as the Creators Book episodes if you want to see that. Creators Book 2, sorry. Any references over on Pinterest. If you could give this video a thumbs up. My little clay thumbs up that I made, and Benji of course. Let us know if you see improvement. And if you could please subscribe. Please. Please. Can't cover up Benji. Subscribe if you want more. I will catch you in the next one. Bye 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 bye. Subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe, like, subscribe.